Gonna take you down, deep down to the front line. You woke up this morning, got yourself a gun.
Hi everybody, this is Mzbomey. I am back with another recipe. Tonight I'm going to do something that's kind of quick and easy. It takes a total time about 30 minutes to 35 minutes, and there's only 5 ingredients. It's a turkey, bacon, and cheese sandwich, and I guess you could have beer with it. Okay, bye-bye now. It's a turkey, bacon, and cheese sandwich, like I said, and it's something that you can prepare that's really easy and fairly quick to do, being that everybody's like getting back to school and, you know, trying to figure out things for dinner. That is something that's quick and easy. And why are you standing there like that? You're creeping me out. So here's the ingredients. You're gonna have one 12-ounce can of Crescent rolls. You're going to have some Swiss cheese slices or cheese of your choice, 2 tablespoons of honey Dijon mustard, and some turkey breast slices. You can, you know, get the deli slices or whatever kind that you like. Thinner probably would be better. You preheat your oven to 350, and we'll go ahead and get things started here. I hate opening up these containers. I really do, because I so epically fail at this. Do you want to like take care of this for me?
Look like a kitchen bitch.
Well, you are the kitchen bitch. So, anyways, while he's trying to figure out how to open that, I don't know why they make those like that.
Disappointed.
I know. There we go. Thank you.
When in doubt, hit it on something.
I guess so. You're gonna need a cookie sheet too.
It's like watching Chuck do a disassembly video.
Don't be picking on my friend Chuck. And I'm just gonna take this out of here. And somewhere it should show you that this is cut into sections. These are supposed to be cut into triangles. It didn't, I don't think, come out quite as packaged that well. I'll put that one aside because that looks like it's deformed. Who even thinks of these things? Like, hey, let's just put this in a funky container all rolled up and slice it up and blah blah blah, and it'll work out perfectly. Yeah, right? Okay, so I had a couple here. Get started with this. Okay, so you're just going to want to spread these into triangles with some mustard on there, on each one, like so. This is something I think too, is if you're not living in residency or a dorm rather at university, and you have a house to share with some roommates, be something quick and easy that you can do in the kitchen. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and add some of my turkey in here. I'm going to add some bacon. I see the peanut gallery has joined us. And some Swiss cheese. And the Swiss cheese, because they come in slices, you probably want to cut these, if you can get them apart, that is. Holy crap piles. Just having one problem after another today. What the hey? Put a little bit of that on there. And then what you're just going to want to do is go ahead and roll these up. And they're going to make little itty bitty sandwiches, turkey, bacon, and cheese sandwiches. This would be good, something to serve with chili, soup, chips, or if you want to be really super healthy, vegetables. Well, I know you don't want to do that, kitchen bitch, because you're not all about healthy. And I would imagine too that if you don't want to do this with chicken, you could probably do this with turkey instead of, or chicken rather than. I can't even talk today. Maybe I should take up drinking after all of this Saturday. Woohoo!
Don't worry, I got that for you.
Okay. Instead of turkey, you could do chicken, is what I was trying to say. Go ahead now with my bacon. Get another slice of cheese here, Swiss cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and get this to roll up. There we go. That was a little sloppy. Oh my god. Not only am I doing a YouTube video, but right now I'm Googling, and all the guys, my peanut gallery, hi, are watching this. It's on! So we're just going to go ahead and repeat these steps again. First starting with the Dijon mustard. If you want something that's a little bit more flavored rather than the regular Dijon, you could get the honey Dijon. So turkey, bacon, and then just give it a roll.
Give me something.
I know. I think Shelby's hoping that I'll drop something. It's like, please, lady, drop something. Send it my way. Just please drop something on the floor. And I'm just going to keep repeating this process until I've used all of my ingredients here. The other thing that I should tell you is that you can use the bacon. You can either get that cooked or you can buy that pre-cooked. Don't abuse the dog. Oh my god, if you guys were here in my kitchen right now, you'd just be shaking your pumpkins.
Look, Shelby's happy.
Shelby's real happy.
Oh my god, the dog's all happy now. Put away the peanut butter.
Shelby needs a cigarette.
Oh my god. Stop it. The dog is not Christian Grey and we're not having those kind of moments here. Last one.
Apparently the dog likes doggy style. Why's your dog walking funny?
Oh my god. Mustard.
And today's live studio audience is
Turkey, bacon, Swiss cheese. Go Go ahead and roll this up.
Excuse me, can I see a wine list? No.
And then what you want to do is kind of just make sure everything's tucked in the dough here, so that
Smile and wait for the flash.
you'll get
Not
everything.
plastic thing.
What?
Wouldn't that be small and wait for the crack?
Make sure to pinch off the ends too, so that you get everything in these little pockets.
Harry, did you remember to turn the camera on this one?
You better. I'm not doing this for nothing, you know.
Oh, crap.
Shut up. I'll cut you. I will cut you. Or shoot you,
It's
whatever I
always
figure out.
coding in the Mzbomey house.
Well, I could shoot him, but you know, I can't do that legally in my house.
You make it look like an accident. No one's going to beer review.
Yeah. Honest, officer, I don't know what happened.
He slipped in the beer.
Yeah.
Oh, no, the dog's coming over to get some.
Would you get out of here? It's supposed to be my video and you're mucking it up. Okay, so this is what they're going to look like when they're ready to go into the oven. Like I said, I just made sure to pinch off the ends. The kitchen bitch cannot ever let me have a moment. It's my kitchen, and it says queen of the kitchen, so back off, buddy.
What did you say here? King of the dicks?
There we go. So there we go. Everything is rolled up into one. You're going to place this in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes till it's brown. Yeah. Gotta just make fun of my Canadian side, don't ya? Gonna give my hands a wash in here. And I'm gonna serve this tonight with some chili.
About how long do we eat?
About 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes?
I'm gonna look at it this way. If I wasn't like getting picked on, I would know that I wasn't liked. There we go. And there is plenty more to do, or to have leftovers to do more. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and get 2 containers rather than 1. It just depends on how many that you're feeding during the evening for dinner. These would also be something good for like maybe when you're watching football games this fall, because it's pretty easy to make and doesn't take too long to bake in the oven.
And the Vikings suck.
Yeah, well, I don't do football. Hockey's my game. Talk to the kitchen bitch. Okay, so I'm gonna let this continue to bake, and I'll be back in just a few minutes, and then I'll show you what the end result is. What?
Say what?
Okay, I'm back, and right now there's about 16 seconds left before I can pull these out of the oven. And just to let you know, if you decided that you didn't want to do the crescent rolls, you can always take some, you know, garlic bread like this that is already buttered and has garlic on there.
I don't know what that finger's meant.
And then put your cheese on there, your bacon, and your turkey, and then toast this open face in the oven for about the same amount of time.
You said open face.
I know I said about again, alright.
And you said open face.
Okay. So, I don't trust you. These are the finished product. This is what they'll look like, nice and golden brown on top.
Alex, taunting.
There we go.
Thank you. Who am I?
You're Alex.
Nah, dude, I've got a photo, man. I know exactly that is.
These are a good size. If you want something that's not like too much, but if you wanted something more, you certainly could do something that's open face. Which I'm just gonna go ahead and
Yeah, there's gonna be a whole
Pop
bunch of
that
guys
on there.
walking ass like, look, some melons on it.
pop this back into the oven, and I'm gonna set the timer for the same amount. About
Yeah, can we be part
18
of this video?
minutes.
You are part of this video.
There you go. And that's it. That's the final product there. And like I said, you could serve it with chili, soup, French fries, chips, whatever floats your boat. Tonight we're having it with chili, as you can see. I'd like to thank the Peanut Gallery for participating in my video. And I don't want to thank the Kitchen Butch, because, you know, he's just a normal pain. Pain. So there you go, that's it. This is very simple. Like I said, it takes about 35 minutes tops from start to finish. It's a turkey, bacon, and cheese sandwiches. So there you have it. Something quick and easy for dinner.
Okay.
Nobody said nothing about the easy. Okay then. Alright, well, this is Mzbomey saying good night, good eats, wherever you are.
Bye-bye.